2 years ago in April, I purchased this 2003 Audi A4, kind of rough, sight unseen, clear coat, fading, missing, pretty rough. Saw the pictures online, didn't see it in person before I got it. Got the car delivered to me, and then kind of walked around seeing exactly what I had. Took pictures of all the clear coat peeling, and just kind of was amazed. Well, the pictures online didn't do it any justice. Um, like I said, just kind of looked at it and took pictures of it, just wondered what I had to work on with. Um, After viewing it over a few days, I ended up taking it around to a couple of body shops to get some quotes on repairing the door, um, getting the car in better condition. Got quoted about $800 to about $900 to fix it. So I went in and got it registered and just decided to just deal with it based on what I had. Um, Decided to try some things with it and just was kind of amazed at um, how easy the clear coat was coming off when I was washing it. So I just decided to continue working with it and seeing exactly what I can do if I can get it all off, or just make it more presentable, whereby it would just look a lot better than it did. Um, so I started exper experimenting with different items to remove the clear coat, and then just went out one day, got me a bucket of soapy water, and I had a old J. Crew gift card, and then I just started scraping the clear coat off. Took me a while to do it. Started on the driver's side front fender, just worked, and then just worked my way on completely the whole side of the car. And I was amazed as to exactly how easy the clear coat will come off. I'm not sure if it's just the red Audis that for that year, or if all other cars, not Audi, just any car. But I just scraped and using a credit card, soapy water, some Dawn, just a little bit of water here and there, well, lots of water, and then just continue to scrape it off. After I initially scraped everything off, I went back and um, used some rubbing compound to kind of bring out the luster in the paint, and made it look a lot better. I actually did one side and then went back to work, and people were asking me if I got the car painted. I said, well, no, I never got it painted. I just, I said I basically just washed it. I washed the clear coat off. I guess the old saying, if it ain't working for you, just get rid of it. So I just chose to spend my time working on, all sides of the car, taking the clear coat off, and then just using some compound to remove it. I'm sorry, bring back the luster of the paint. I've already ordered some F11, and I do plan to um, see if that will even bring out the luster, more of the luster in the car than it has just from the compound. I think it will. I still have the option of painting it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that, but like I said, I just you can see that picture. I just continue to scrape it off, scrape the old clear coat off, and then just work it down whereby it looks a lot better. This is the first time I've ever done this. Like I said, I was just amazed as to how much, because the color of the car was fine, the paint was fine under the clear coat. It was just the fact that the clear coat just wasn't working for me. Um, It looked raggedy, it looked aged, it looked old, it looked dated, and just I just wanted it to shine, and I didn't, like I said, I got quoted over $800 to fix it, and I just saw that scraping it off and just sanding it down. I think I used 2000 grit paper as well, sandpaper, wet, dry sanded, to knock down the spots that I couldn't actually that were a little harder to get. And then I just, like I said, use rubbing compound. I think it's Majestic Ultra Cut. I use that to bring out the shine. I think that's like that goes down to like a 2000 grit sandpaper to knock out the scratches. But as you can see from these angles, um, I do have a video, a more of a video of what I did, and that will be posted soon. I just wanted you guys to kind of see the pictures a little bit of before and after. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it looks, I would say, 200% better than it did when I got it. I also decided, instead of getting the door fixed on my passenger side, I just happened to find another door, passenger side rear door, on eBay, and purchased that. And instead of getting it fixed, I did that, and like I said, I will post the videos later of me completely working like a car, and you'll see what I did.